Hi friends, we at GATE Applied course are very happy to announce our 2021 test series, right? So this is the GATE test series for computer science students for 2021. So if you just go to our homepage, which is gate.appliedcourse.com, and click on the GATE 2021 test series, you'll get all the details here. So let me elaborate some of the key points here. So first and foremost, we have a bunch of mock tests, and I'll explain you about the specifics of the mock tests, but overall, in this 2021 test series, we have 1,705 hand-picked questions. Again, we have taken standard textbook exercise problems and modified them into the GATE format. We have taken assignments and final exams of top universities across the world and converted them into the GATE format, right? So we have a total of 1,705 hand-picked questions like this. In addition to that, we have 520 original questions, and these are unique questions, right? So we have a total of almost 2,200 questions in just this single GATE CS 2021 test series itself, right? Again, we have a very dedicated team of alumni from Indian Institute of Science, IITs, NITs, and IIITs who have created this whole test series. And also for our test series, there are some prize monies to be won. I'll just elaborate on that in a couple of minutes. Again, the price for the 2021 test series, 1,999 including GST, right? So let's, again, if you want to take a demo of what type of exams and what is the level of exams we conduct, you can always check out 2 demo tests here that are publicly accessible. And this is actually a mock test that we conducted in 2019. You could take it to see the level of questions that we set. Similarly, we have a multi-program, multi-topic test that we conducted as a scholarship test in 2020. You are most welcome to take it to see the level of questions that we have. You can also check out some of the Quora reviews about our GATE test series itself. Now, again, there are some details about the test series here. Let me elaborate them. So we have 8 mock tests overall. So in these 8 mock tests, you will encounter 520 unique questions. Amongst these 8 mock tests, 4 are available to all. The mock test 1, the mock test 3, mock test 6 and 8 are available to everyone. The rest of the tests, the rest of the 4 tests are available only to the test series registered students. Very importantly, anyone who is registered for our GATE CS 2021 course, right? Anyone who is joined for the GATE course itself would get the test series by default. You don't have to again register for the test series. You would get it by default, right? And we have a bunch of test series to benefit all the students irrespective of whether they're registered or not, while others, whether it's mock test 2, 4, 5 and 7, they're restricted to our course registered students and to students who are registered for the mock tests. And again, these are the exact dates and times on which the tests will be available, and this is when we announce the results, right? So in addition to this, if you just click on this more tests and details, we have 10 grand tests. Again, grand tests are also very similar to GATE tests. They're full-length GATE tests, but they're slightly different from mock tests, right? So what you will have, again, you have dates for all of these 10 grand tests. All of these grand tests are only available to students who are registered for our GATE course or students who are registered for our 2021 test series, right? Only the 4 mock tests are available to everyone. Now, having said that, so these 10 grand tests, we have chosen questions very carefully from standard textbooks, from assignment and final exams at top universities, and we have set them mostly at the GATE level. And these are the dates date and time at which these tests will be available for students to take the test. Now, similarly, there are multi-subject tests, right? So you have 4 multi-subject tests. Again, these are the specific dates at which these multi-subject tests will be available. Now, now we'll have all the topic tests and subject tests. For example, these 5 tests are topic tests and subject tests just for aptitude. They are available as of now, right? So at the very launch of the course itself, because any student could be studying any subject at any given point of time. So we have all the topic tests and subject tests readily available. You could take the test whenever you want, right? So these are all topic and subject tests for aptitude. Similarly for computer organization, computer networks. So we have tests for every subject. And based on the weightage for the subject, we have we have either added more topic tests or more subject tests, right? So just to be clear here, all the topic and subject tests are available with immediate effect. The grand tests, so look at this, the multi-subject tests would start sometime in early September. The grand tests will start in late September, and the mock tests themselves will start in middle of October, right? So once a test starts, you can take it any time after that, right? So having said this, again, please remember that all the subject and topic tests are available with immediate effect. Okay, so now again, these are some of our students from GATE 2020 who have benefited both from our course and test series. As I mentioned, there are also prize monies for our All India mock tests, right? For the mock test that we have, there are prize monies. And again, please read through the terms and conditions for each of these prize monies. Again, we have a total of 4 lakhs worth of prize monies that we will give away, primarily for the mock tests, right? For the All India mock test 1, 3, 6 and 8. Again, please read the terms and conditions so that you understand how the prize money would be distributed based on the rank and other simple conditions that you have to meet, right? So I hope again, we always strive to make our test series very high quality, and we hope both our course registered students and our test series registered students would benefit immensely from almost these 2,200 plus questions that we have handpicked very carefully and modified, or unique questions that we have created from scratch.